This is Duke Jefferson from Fishtown, PA, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here in ICE, the Insane Clown Expedition. It's fucked up out here, just like Duke. Duke's a little fucked up. I'm fucked up!
That's great.
All right, here we go. Hey, how you guys doing tonight? You guys enjoying the snow tonight?
Yeah.
All right.
Closed?
Oh no.
Oh, Annie's is closed, you guys.
Sunday to close early.
You moving.
10-4, everybody. You guys have a good night, all right?
Try.
All right, that's Duke Jefferson. Don't forget, Duke Jefferson.
Duke Jefferson in the house.
That's a follow you.
You guys.
Oh my god.
Oh! You guys, this shit's fucking windy. It's fucking twist and turn. I feel like I'm at a farmer's market right now. Yeah! Let's do it. Anyway, it's fucked up as shit. All right, let's get this guy.
I'm freezing.
Flyers playing tonight, dude?
No.
Yeah, we're streaming. We're live on the internet for this snowstorm. You want to do an interview? Come on, dude. Come on, man. Nice ass.
Oh, dude, come on.
Flyers fans got a nice ass. Anyway, not really sure what's going on. We got a hella nice ass going on. We got fucking windshield wipers. Yo, your lights, bro.
Lights.
Yo, can I get a ride to York and Aramingo?
Oh, fuck you, dude.
That's right. Stop bears.
They were not very friendly. They were not appreciative.
Not very many friendly married people here in Fishtown.
My
We
hand's
got some
freezing.
kids. These guys. Yo! There we go. You're like a deer in headlights, bro. Anyway, Duke's not really feeling it. Actually, Duke's feeling it. No one else is feeling it. See if she needs some help with her sidewalk here. You need some help there?
Oh, dude.
I heard 10 to 15.
Alright, we got 10 to 15. Right now, we're 2 knuckles. They're not as deep as Noah. I think they're probably at least 3.5 deep now in New York. This is Duke Jefferson with Princess Vader.
What up?
Eyewitness News.